In the hidden depths of the ocean, where light barely penetrates and temperatures hover near freezing, an astonishing world unfolds, sculpted by deep-sea corals. These master architects create vast structures that provide sanctuary for myriad marine species. As we plunge into this mysterious domain, we unveil the intricate beauty of deep-sea corals, whose vibrant colors and varied shapes defy the harsh conditions surrounding them. Deep-sea corals thrive in extreme environments, found at depths ranging from 200 meters to over 10,000 meters. They withstand crushing pressures that would instantly crush a human. In the absence of sunlight, they form symbiotic relationships with zooxanthellae, tiny creatures that engage in photosynthesis, enhancing their energy intake in this dark realm. Additionally, deep-sea corals reproduce both sexually and asexually, ensuring genetic diversity that enhances their survival. Each coral colony supports a web of life, providing essential habitat and resources for fish, invertebrates, and other marine organisms. Deep-sea coral reefs are biodiversity hotspots, nurturing countless species that depend on them for survival and nutrition, creating a delicate balance in the ocean's ecosystem. As we delve deeper, we encounter coral reefs thriving in frigid waters, not remnants of a bygone era, but vibrant ecosystems intricately woven into the ocean's fabric. Corals like Lophelia pertusa thrive in depths exceeding 2,000 meters, forming extensive colonies that house myriad creatures. Their skeletal structures, made of calcium carbonate, resemble ancient stone edifices, providing crucial habitats for many marine animals. Among the coral gardens, sponges stand out, filtering icy waters while providing shelter to crustaceans and nudibranchs. Predators such as Atlantic cod patrol these neighborhoods, drawn to the life these reefs offer. 1 square meter of deep-sea coral can host over 100 different species, establishing a bustling metropolis at the ocean's bottom. These coral ecosystems contribute significantly to carbon sequestration, storing carbon in their structures and supporting other organisms that absorb carbon dioxide. In a world where rising carbon levels threaten ocean health, these corals act as a natural defense system against climate change. Some can live for centuries, providing valuable data on past oceanic conditions, helping us understand climate variability and human impacts over time. Historically, deep-sea coral ecosystems have been documented since the late 19th century, when scientists first began to explore the profound depths of the oceans. In 1861, the Challenger expedition embarked on a groundbreaking journey that unveiled the strange and beautiful life forms lurking in the abyss, including the discovery of deep-sea corals. These pioneering expeditions opened our eyes to a hidden world beguiling in its complexity. Simple yet profound, the study of corals has unveiled the intricate interconnectedness of life beneath the waves. As we journey through dark waters, we pause to reflect on the ghostly beauty surrounding us. Spectacular reefs stretch endlessly, intertwined amidst the pale fingers of corals extending delicately into the currents. The scene is haunting, silence envelops us, punctuated by the distant hum of the ocean. It's as if we've stumbled upon a mysterious cathedral, where ancient structures stand testimony to the passage of time. Among the coral gardens, the stunningly intricate polyps sway rhythmically with the flow of water, their vivid colors ranging from iridescent blues to fiery oranges. Ceaselessly, they reach outward as if wanting to touch the secrets of the sea. These tiny creatures, which make up the entire coral colony, embody resilience. Each one, no more than a few millimeters in size, contributes to an architecture that safeguards the lives of countless species. Yet, the flourishing colonies of corals have become victims of their own success. The coral's inherent strategies for survival reveal a fragile existence. Historic overfishing and destructive practices such as bottom trawling have obliterated swathes of coral habitats, leaving behind scars that may never heal. The clattering of trawlers echoes ominously, drowning the delicate sounds of marine life. In 2002, reports estimated that over 35% of the world's coral reefs had succumbed to the ravages of human activity, with projections indicating that if current trends continue, 70% to 90% of reefs may be lost by 2050. The stakes are staggering and time slips through our fingers like sand. The majesty of these underwater realms is not solely defined by their visual splendor but by the ecological services they provide. These coral ecosystems act as natural barriers, mitigating the effects of storm surges and coastal erosion, shielding vulnerable shorelines from the relentless force of the sea. They are the incubators of life, facilitating breeding grounds for juvenile fish that will one day roam the oceans as adults. In this hidden world, every pulse of life reinforces our understanding of nature's interconnectedness. The architecture of deep-sea corals invites reverence and respect. However, the shadow of climate change looms ever larger over these coral sanctuaries. Rising ocean temperatures lead to coral bleaching events, a phenomenon where stressed corals expel their symbiotic zooxanthellae, leaving them stark white and vulnerable. The unsettling sight of a bleached reef is akin to a ghost town, once vibrant with color and life, now a silent testament to the fragility of these ecosystems. Bleaching events, which have become increasingly frequent, can lead to the death of entire colonies if temperatures do not subside. In 2016, an unprecedented warm water phenomenon devastated the Great Barrier Reef, resulting in the loss of nearly 30% of its corals. The ecological ramifications of such losses are profound, reverberating through food webs and decimating biodiversity. Yet amidst these trials, hope remains. Global initiatives are taking root, with marine protected areas springing up to safeguard these vital ecosystems from industrial fishing and pollution. The establishment of such sanctuaries, which has gained momentum since the early 2000s, has shown promising results. Researchers are observing quicker recovery rates in protected regions, where biodiversity begins to flourish once again. With advances in technology like remotely operated vehicles equipped with high-definition cameras, scientists can now explore and monitor these environments with unprecedented precision. Data gathered sheds light on the health of corals and the richness of life within, presenting an urgent call to action in the face of adversity. Each dive unveils marvels, like bioluminescent organisms that light up the darkness, creating a living tapestry of life in a realm devoid of sunlight. In the shadowy depths, these brilliant flashes provide both guidance and warning, an interplay of survival in a world where every flicker counts. Deep-sea corals act as architects and stewards of their environments, nurturing life in every nook. Amongst the intricate lacework of coral polyps and the vibrant sponges lies a microcosm of marine biodiversity, each organism playing a role in this delicate dance of existence. As we ascend from the profound depths, the captivating beauty and vital functions of deep-sea corals remain vivid. They not only sustain their immediate environment but also contribute to the global ecological balance. Protecting them is essential for the ocean's health and our planet's vitality. The echoes of their existence resonate throughout the marine ecosystem, reminding us of the delicate balance we must uphold. In this hidden world, each pulse of life reinforces our understanding of nature's interconnectedness. The architecture of deep-sea corals invites reverence and respect. They are remnants of a forgotten age, showcasing the extraordinary resilience of life. We are called to safeguard this hidden beauty, ensuring future generations can marvel at its wonders. Beneath the waves lies an extraordinary revelation that challenges our understanding of life itself. Deep-sea corals exhibit bioluminescence, emitting a soft, ethereal glow that paints the dark waters. This light attracts prey, deters predators, and facilitates communication among colonies, creating a vibrant spectacle in the inky abyss. Some corals have formed symbiotic relationships with microorganisms that thrive in harsh conditions, harnessing energy from hydrothermal vents, promoting biodiversity, and providing refuge for many marine species. Life flourishes even in the most inhospitable environments, illustrating nature's wonder. Deep-sea corals create habitats for fish and marine creatures, serving as crucial breeding grounds. Each colony is a testament to resilience, revealing life's ability to adapt and flourish in extreme conditions. The health of our oceans and their ecosystems holds vital lessons for humanity. The fragility of deep-sea corals mirrors the balance we must maintain in our lives. Protecting these environments acknowledges our shared responsibility to the planet. The plight of deep-sea corals highlights the urgent need for ocean conservation. These ecosystems provide food, habitat, and medicine, yet face threats from climate change and pollution. The urgency to act has never been more pronounced. We must inspire collective action and advocacy for their protection, understanding that in every vibrant coral lies a story worth preserving for future generations. What can we learn from the deep sea? It teaches resilience and adaptation. Even in the darkest places, life persists. The lessons derived from these ancient architects serve as a metaphor for our lives. The challenges we face can forge profound strength. The fight for ocean health is a fight for our survival, preserving the wondrous tapestry of life beneath the waves. 80% of our oceans remain unexplored, teeming with secrets yet to be unveiled. What treasures lie in the shadows? What unique life forms await discovery, harboring knowledge that could reshape our understanding of biology? The deep sea beckons the curious and the brave, each dive opening the door to endless possibilities. The journey into the abyss is far from over, it is only just beginning.